Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your phone on Huawei Fit Watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of your watch's home screen to open the Quick panel. Then in the Quick panel, tap this icon here. Your phone will then ring and say "I'm here" very loudly. To make it stop ringing, tap on the icon again on your watch. Your phone will be quiet. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.